Hey guys, my name is Jason Schuster. I'm a doctor of physical therapy. I own Intricate Art Spine and Body Solutions. It's a continuing education company teaching other doctors how to do a couple things. We're super excited about our Skool channel, you guys. So with the devastatingly horrific salaries that physical therapists and athletic trainers and other medical practitioners are making nowadays, which is only getting worse because of the CDC, the NIH, and all the other criminal health corporations, including the APTA, are intentionally decreasing our salaries per year, charging us more for school, and it's leaving all of us financially crippled in indentured servitude for life. So one of the things that we've done with our Skool channel is when you sign up for the Skool channel, you get free access to our suite of nutrition courses, which is an essential part of being a good quality cash pay practitioner. So you get 25 CEUs worth $800, and the price of our Skool channel is only $39 a month. So that averages out to somewhere around $500 for the year. So you need continuing education units no matter what. By signing up for our Skool channel, you automatically get 25 continuing education units for the year. We're developing new courses all the time, and you get access to all the other cool stuff where we help practitioners go out on their own and start a cash pay business while avoiding a lot of the pitfalls that a lot of people experience, because I've gone through this myself. My instructors have their own cash pay clinics, and they will help you guys go into your own cash pay business while minimizing the risk that everybody is so fearful about. So what we want you to do is to go into business for yourself, but not by yourself. So we'll be there every step of the way to help guide you. We have a marketing company that you can use. I'll give you access to the lawyer that I use, how to start an LLC. We're going to have live weekly Q&As on Zoom where people can hop on and ask me questions. We're going to have lawyers on. One of my instructors' dad is a lawyer. He's going to come on and do some talks about how to start a business. So everything that we don't learn in school, we will teach you guys on our Skool platform. And just to make it worth your while, we're also going to give you free CEUs, which is actually going to be saving you over $300 a year because you have to pay for the CEUs anyway. So you're getting 25 CEUs and $800 worth of free stuff when you sign up for the community. And on top of that, if you get nothing else, you get the CEUs. But on top of that, you'll also get all the live community chat groups. You'll get the live videos. You'll get everything else that's included with it. So this is basically a no-brainer. Sign up for our Skool community. Stop indentured doctoring in 2025. We're here to help you.